Hello teacher, making a presentation about my best friend and my name is Tatiana Palacios. My best friend is my mother Maria. She likes swimming. She likes studying English. She loves eating ice cream. She enjoys dancing. She fancies visiting towns. She likes watching romantic movies. She loves animals. She doesn't like playing soccer. She dislikes veggie food. She dislikes singing rock music. She doesn't like milk. She doesn't like working out. She doesn't like eating fruit. She hates snacks. When Mary was 5 years old, she could ride on her bike. She could swim. She could read well. She could not name the colors. When she was a teenager, she could dance well. She could not play the guitar. She can cook very well. She can run faster. She can whistle loudly. She can drive a truck. She can read fast. She can read 3 books in a year. Thank you.